Hello, welcome to my JTR training series. In this video, we'll guide you through extending the warranty on your JTR devices directly from the My JTR portal. We'll walk through each step, selecting your device and location, choosing your extension period, reviewing the warranty agreement, and completing your payment. Let's get started. First, log in to my.jtr.org and go to Admin, then select Devices. Here you will see all registered devices along with their current warranty expiration dates. Click the Extend Warranty button in the top right corner to begin. Step 1 is Device and Location. Select the device you want to extend, then choose your country from the dropdown. Note that extended warranty service is handled through our service centers in New York and Istanbul. If your device is located elsewhere, it will need to be shipped to one of these centers. Once your device and location are selected, click Continue. Step 2 is Warranty Duration. Choose between a 1-year or 2-year extension. The page shows the exact date your coverage will extend to for each option. Select the period that works for your operation and click Continue. Step 3 is the warranty agreement. Review the terms, including what is covered and how to file a claim if needed. Check the acceptance box and click Continue. Step 4 is the checkout summary. Confirm your selected device and extension period. Then click Checkout with Stripe to proceed to payment. Payment is processed securely through Stripe. Enter your card details or use Apple Pay, Bank or Klarna, then click Pay. Once payment is complete, your warranty is extended immediately. You will see the updated expiration date reflected in your device's page. That is all it takes to extend your warranty. To use your Reveal device more efficiently and take full advantage of the features offered by the My JTR portal, continue watching other training videos available on JTR Academy. For more information and support, visit help.jtr.org or contact us by email at revealsupport@jtr.org. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our new training videos.